All right, let's turn things over to meteorologist Jackie later. Too bad this book sale is not today, because tomorrow could be a really good book reading day.
Yeah, exactly. And I mean, I need to get started on my New Year's resolution, so I'm thinking tomorrow would be the day for that. But we are tracking our next system after Saturday's system that did bring rain for most of the area, but off towards Hagerstown, we did see some of that snow accumulation, which is still out there on the live cam on at least the grassy surfaces. Looks like those roadways are good, and also those parking lots all cleared as well. Seeing a little bit of that breeze and also noticing the cloud cover over Hagerstown right now. Closer towards DC, we just have a few clouds strolling on by, but overall today we'll see a mix of sun and clouds for your Monday. Really a nice start to the week, but that'll quickly change as we look ahead towards the day tomorrow. But out there right now, before you step out the door for that Monday morning commute, we're starting off with those temperatures mid to upper 30s for most of the area, including DC coming in at 39 degrees. Down towards Fredericksburg and Waldorf, you're some of the colder spots on the map, upper 20s right now. Hagerstown, you're starting off into those upper 30s. So today versus tomorrow, today would be the pick, considering we'll see dry conditions. Tomorrow, though, we are seeing a slight warm up, though, with high temperatures into those mid 50s. That's likely later on in the day as a warm front lifts in. However, tomorrow we'll be tracking that precipitation, looking at mainly rain for most of the area, but over towards the mountains, I'm looking at you. We could be seeing some wintry mix out there, starting off as snow, quickly changing over to that rain and snow mix before eventually changing over to rain. There is a winter weather advisory in effect for Garrett County for that reason. But we're also looking at that wind threat tomorrow, along with that flood threat with all the rain that is expected. So where's that system right now? It's impacting the plains as we speak. It includes much of the midsection of the United States right now. And that system will continue to advance its way closer towards the Midwest before it eventually slides into our area. And it's a very active weather map when you're talking about those watches and warnings. Very colorful all across the nation, all because of that one system that we are watching. That'll be moving into our area. And back here locally, we're looking at some flood watches, coastal flood watches, as well as wind advisories and high wind watch as well. So the flood watch, that includes most of our area aside from Garrett County, because Garrett County, you are under that winter weather advisory with this system. Futurecast shows us in terms of the timing of that rain and also other types of precipitation. They'll be back over towards our western zones by mid to late morning. We're talking right around 9 a.m. for the western half of our area, breaking down that snow and wintry mix back over towards the mountains, changing over to rain for the rest of the area. And even later on tomorrow evening, that's when we could see the heaviest of that rainfall. So we look at that rain for much of the day tomorrow, and then it's later on in the evening when we see the heaviest batch of rain. And that's really going to add up in terms of those totals. We're looking at 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. Could see locally higher amounts with tomorrow's system before eventually that slides out. Wednesday's looking drier, aside from some mountain snow showers, but it still will be windy out there on Wednesday. And speaking of wind, we do have some wind alerts. We have that high wind watch for St. Mary's County and southern Maryland, and then the rest of the DC metro area. We're talking about that wind advisory, and that goes until 1 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Now with the wind advisory, we could see those wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour. When you're talking about at least 50-mile-per-hour gusts, and especially with the ground being so wet after Saturday's system and also after this system, we could be seeing some downed trees and also some power outages. So also something to be mindful of tomorrow. This is a view of Tuesday at 6 p.m. We really notice those winds picking up later on tomorrow evening. I'm thinking the first half of the day, the winds, it will be breezy. You'll notice it, but it's later on in the evening that those winds really start to become on the stronger side, where eventually we start to notice that front does move through. So where all those winds converge, that is where that front is pushing through. So that's later on tomorrow night at 10 p.m. Then eventually that will slide out, and then we'll see those winds still breezy, still windy out there as we look ahead towards Wednesday, but not nearly as strong as what we see for our Tuesday. So like I mentioned, be mindful and be safe out there Tuesday. Wednesday, still windy, but at least we're drying things out. We're low 50s on Thursday, and then we're tracking yet another system for the end of the week and into the early most parts of Saturday. So rain and wind late Friday, and then we should be seeing just a few showers lingering into early Saturday. The rest of the weekend should be dry. Shanika, how are those roadways?